So for example 5 is another application of this whole tangent line stuff. So we have a circle a perfectly drawn circle C, and then we have common points of intersection, and this line segment is here, and this is 3x plus 4, and we're told that RS is tangent to circle P or circle C. What Oh no. And then we're also told that RT is tangent to circle C. What is the value of x? So we got to find x, okay? So we know that this has to be congruent to this. In other words, 3x plus 4 has to equal 28 because they are two, if they're both tangent to the circle and they have a common point, then they're congruent. So this is pretty easy. I'm just going to subtract 4 from both sides, and I get 3x is equal to 24, divide by 3, and I get x equals 8.